How to change the email on your Amazon account. Need to change the email address linked to your Amazon account, but not sure how? We've got you covered. Welcome to Tech Guide Genie, and in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to update your Amazon email address in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, head over to Amazon.com and log into your account. Once you're in, hover over Account and Lists in the top right corner and click on it. Select Login and Security. You might be asked to re-enter your password. Go ahead and do that. Now you'll see your account details, including your current email address. Click the Edit button next to your email. Enter the new email address you want to use and click Continue. Amazon will now send a one-time password, OTP, to the new email you just entered. Open a new tab and check your inbox for the code Amazon sent. Go back to the Amazon tab and enter the OTP code. Once verified, you'll see both your current and new email addresses listed. To confirm the change, type in your Amazon password again and click Save Changes. And that's it! Your Amazon account email is now updated. For more helpful Amazon tips and tricks, check out our full Amazon tutorials playlist. Just click the playlist on your screen now. If this video helped you out, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for daily tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.